Hey everybody, welcome back to the vidcast. Today I wanted to share some information that affects anybody with an iPhone, iPad, or iPod. This week Apple announced its USB power adapter Takeback program. Basically anyone with a non-Apple certified USB power adapter is able to exchange that power adapter for a discounted Apple certified adapter for $10. Why is Apple suddenly announcing such a program? Well, sadly, several weeks ago, a woman in China died of electric shock when plugging in her iPhone to a wall socket. Now, Apple has not claimed any responsibility for this issue, and the incident is still under investigation. However, what is suspected is that she may have been using a knockoff, non-Apple certified USB adapter during this incident. Knockoff adapters from China have absolutely no certification from Apple and often go through no government testing for safety. They're often the cause of several hardware malfunctions for iPhones, iPads, and iPods. The advantage to consumers obviously is price. Knockoff adapters largely, if you search eBay, will retail for about $1 shipped from China, whereas Apple certified adapters from the Apple Store retail for $19 US. This step by Apple is meant to pull counterfeit adapters out of circulation and ensure the safety of its customers. Here's how you can participate in this Takeback program. Bring your USB adapter along with your iPhone, iPod, or iPad to any Apple Store or participating authorized service provider. You'll have to turn in your old adapter, and remember, there is no on-site testing to determine whether or not your adapter is truly a knockoff or an Apple certified model. At that point, you'll qualify to purchase a discounted replacement adapter for $10 US or the equivalent currency in your country. It's as simple as that. Remember, there's a limit of one replacement adapter for every iPhone, iPod, or iPad that you own. I'll include a link to Apple's official announcement in the description of this video, where they also go over how to spot a counterfeit adapter. Well, that's it for today. If you like this vidcast, please help me out by clicking the like button and also by subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time.